Well, first video, huh? Well, we got a Nortel Northern Telecom landline phone. And yeah, it's already falling apart. Isn't that amazing? It didn't survive the fall down here from the porch, did it? There you go. It features a $5 price tag and a hotline. Let's see if you're getting that hotline right there. That's a pretty hot line. It would be a shame if anything happened to that hotline. Maybe it got too hot. Come on, hotline, you're supposed to be hot. Get hot. That's one hot line. Oh, it's not a very nice smelling hotline now, is it? Hello? Is this the hotline? No one's picking up. I wonder why. It's not a very good hotline, is it? Oh no, the hotline caves in. Got its hotline blood all over it. Oh no, Nortel communication. I hope I get to receive my call instantly through the receiver. Hang up. Oh no! Oh, what's this? What's this wiring? Man, I can't receive my calls anymore. Stupid bat. Ah, man, I can't hang up anymore either. That's a shame. What else does it feature? Low, off, medium, ringer. Do you want a pulse ringer? Or do you want a tone ringer? I think I just wanna not know who's calling me. This is not the phone of the future, this is the phone of the past. It's quite a durable phone too. It's taken so many blows. Oh, what's that? I see a board in there. Ugh, God, dust flying everywhere. Can you receive me now? No? What do you mean no? What the fuck is that? The line is so flimsy, it goes everywhere. Look at it. That's one stretchy line. Oh my God, it doesn't even have force against it. Ugh. Oh, what's that? Oh no! Hope I can fix that. Where is it? There we go. Good as new. What's this coming out? Oh. Whoa, this is some advanced technology. That's a lot of jumpers. Look at all those jumper wires in there. How many jumper wires do you need on one board? Jeez. Oh, look, a little microphone. Good as new, right? Oh no. 911, help me. I'm being insulted by a man with a bat. Oh no, not the board. What's this metal plate? Steel. Ooh. Let's see. September of '97 this was built, huh? Damn, the thing's older than me. Oh well. Not everything is meant to last forever now, is it? Ooh. And what's this booming speaker? I gotta hear my messages. Booming bass. 0.25 watt, 50 ohms. 50 ohms. Jeez. Oh, there goes the magnet. Now I can't listen to my callers anymore. No more speakerphone. No more voice. No more nothing. Oh. Look at the mess. I hope you're getting all this, camera. Because my frickin' stupid tripod at the moment is just a pool filter. That's how poor I am. There's someone else smashing something over there. I hear banging. Copycat. Come on, phone. Well, the hot button didn't seem... Oh, the hotline didn't really seem to help me all that much. That's a big shame. What's this? I don't know what this is. It's just stuck to the red wire. And there's another one. Whoa. Look at those capacitors and transistors, and you got your diodes, you got those integrated circuits, you got those resistors and everything, you got your little switches to make all the best quality phone calls that ever existed. Basic junk from the 90s. Weren't the 90s so great? Don't we all wish we were born in the 90s? Oh wow, that little piece of plastic tried to assault me, didn't it? How about that? That's my answer. There you go. Here's your little telecom communications. Oh, look at that little battery already. Stupid handy cam.